great. $120 of profit. Great. $364. Nice, not bad. The Fractal, yeah, thank you. And we got another win, by the way. So what's up, everybody, guys? My name is Alex, and I know it may look different because I've kind of changed my location, and I got some lights there, and hopefully you do really like this. So what we're gonna be doing today, it's not a big secret, I guess, for none of you. So we are going to be, the microphone is not just staying as I want it to be. So today we're going to be trading, and we're going to be having another trading session, and hopefully it's going to be great and profitable. And I promise that I'm going to be doing everything in my hands just to make it as profitable as possible. So do not forget to join my Telegram private group, because all the important information in a detailed way is provided right there, as well as explained right there. So do not forget, the link is going to be in the description below. So do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So let's start. So starting today's session, every time, like the same settings, the candles, the chart types, and the time frames, and everything, changing the settings, and putting the choosing the indicators that we're going to be working with. Fractal, Parabolic SAR, Supertrend, Williams R, we're going to be having. I'm having the Telegram group due to that reason as well. So you'll be, all the things in a detailed way will be explained right there. However, today the first profit, we are having the euro and Australian dollars, and we are having $140 right there. And I guess we're gonna be going for long right now. There is a long tail and a green candle. It means that buyers are stepping in. And Williams R still has room for growth. So, how would I say growth? For growth, yeah. I don't know. For a second, I thought that I forgot how to pronounce that word, but that's fine. And as well as there was a sharp recovery from the lower zone, and that was another reason due to which I played like that. Oh my god, look at the just prints of the glasses. I've been wearing them like a lot lately. $199. We got this bet. The first one is great. Then going to the Australian Canadian dollars with the Japanese yen. What do we have here? Let me have 90 right here, and going for long, guys. The Supertrend and the Parabolic SAR, they just align with the upward movement, and there's a deep pullback. Honestly, if we take a look at it, oh my god, what the hell is it? Williams is showing upward potential, upside potential as well. So kind of must be easy though. Just waiting right here, just waiting and not doing anything, because truly, hoping and understanding that it should be successful. Of course, we are not able to, we can't be promising anything, but in the end of the day, we are having some tools in order to just predict and analyze. Here we go, $172, from which $82, almost $83 of our profit. By the way, we found a support after flat range, and I'm gonna be having 130 right here. Price is moving up right here, and the Williams is for long as well. It shows that it has some room. it has a lot of space though, not some room, but it has a lot of space. So I don't think we should be, you know, stressing out about this, but not bond, but this one. Sometimes I'm just, you know, messing up the language and I don't know how to fix that, but hopefully you all understand what I'm saying, even though sometimes it might be hard. $120 of profit. Okay, go in here. Oh, let me show you something, guys. So according to this rectangle, what I can say, according and based on the Williams oscillator, we can see that we are approaching the overbought zone. We expect a drop off. First of all, let me put it at 160 right here and going short. So I'm expecting a drop off of a parabolic SAR line. And I believe this is it. Yeah, I mean, parabolic SAR line is gonna be as a resistance, so we are expecting a drop off of that. Everything is going pretty well so far, and don't really want anything ruining that. And the video, the momentum, the everything that I'm struggling with right now. Thank you, another $150 of profit. And by the way, guys, sometimes I might be forgetting and reminding you about the percentages of the profit that you're having on a currency pairs that you're having, that you're betting on. Because right now we're holding a support line above like 0.96600, and currently buyers, they just keeping the price from falling even lower than that, and we are in oversold zone according to Williams. That's why we should be going for long, as I believe. Great, $364. Nice, not bad. Australian Canadian dollars going for 230, I guess. We're going for long though right now, because after the consolidation, price just broke above the Bollinger, not the Bollinger, but the Parabolic SAR. The Fractal, yeah, thank you. And we got another win, by the way, guys. Yeah, repeating that again. So we went for long, just owing to the fact that after the consolidation, price broke through the Fractal and they started raising. Even though Williams was on the overbought zone, we took the risk and we just made our bet. So we had to play careful, and Parabolic SAR was for that upward movement as well. So it happens sometimes. Sometimes I'm just forgetting some of the phrases and some of the words, and that's totally fine, as I believe. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to leave a like, and of course I'm inviting you and reminding you over and over to join my Telegram private group, because right there you will be able to find all the necessary data in order to become successful in this journey. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like, and let me know in the comments the type of the videos that you are looking for and you are looking forward to watch my channel. So thank you.